In the hustle of daily life, everyone has a dream, where success depends on the details, on reaching balance. One touch, one small step, or a tiny motion. You should always stay on your feet and never leave the right track. So jump on your bike and follow your path, even if it will be hard, even if you have to go against the world. Never forget where you came from and where you're going. Follow your dreams while staying firmly grounded. I already did it. Now, I do what I love most, wherever I like it, and the way I like it. Going step by step, intently, with passion. Could you make your greatest dreams come true? I'm sure you could.